Hi, midofo, meeting the abdominal skin pain. Medisika koma madofo, any abusia, and the for tap send this so. Adentia, every say, so easy, reliable, fast, and convenient. Sim market where be na adofo, and saka, sikano, ewa Ghana, e quite pain, and a mobile fast war. And one say, Google Grabo or smartphone. Now I download do tap send. Ewa phone so. Now what they call any jisam kesi and say, baby I will be what to miss send this sika. Ekwa muwabusuya. Ewa my Ghana mu. Ewa bra wuntia she. Tap. Nemo mukai. Say, obe yusu promo code. It was screen you see. And the so now obenya £5 on top, €5 on top. Sika, what do you come out ebusia? Ewo oh my Ghana, ma mene papa, any beje dodo, tap aba.
Yeah, tie shirt, Samiflex TV media. Rebecca, I say, maybe a chum on this same channel, and I call Spintex Road over B, and I call any about call I Fred in Shabak Kojo. Satime na the mansion beer na finishing touches. Gusua or na I call any call Bushia the Saz in Sha and I back. Why radio and radio? Bonko be bree na Nipa do na mushe video no. Inspired, BNG, being so rare, of course. If you say, of course, a baby so there, and don't be surprised if it has been so rare. And then, so to Al Jazeera, Samiflex TV, and so add to the camera, and they are part of best try, or say a hand come, Mamba, spectators, Miss Member so to Abeshamana, Abeshina, idea, so only may I idea, you pay. You can business, you can music, you can babble. And you back on so dear decided to say music, business, and how is it going? Now on so what is really going down? Thanks to Digital Rasta Currency, Richie Flex, Yao Lapiji, in Tim Chamo, and of course MC Barima, Mahuse Ayabra, Ayisu Shechosa, and Bra Roland. You hear the Bakuba job, just wait for us. Now Minko Insha now you started to say Bokodie, Bra this year, how many months ni?
I think so.
4.
Yeah. A time go.
Last year, I checked. Because this year.
Last year,
yeah. September. It's 9 to 8 months ago. Because we are in the 6 month for 2020. Then this year September, then I drew 1 year. Let me say updates. You buy nothing now, mansion. So we are finishing touches. That's for. So far, you housewarming area now.
Oh, I think say I cover 30%.
Wow.
If you say we see if you are having an inside no, and also another engine. Yeah, so I mean. I
believe that as a standard now, pursue review if you're into a managed channel.
No, say we start mansion if you want the other projects in the you know, apartment in Ghana, and you know, as I mean, focus on and almost the is almost ready, but all the time touch me, and you know, I mean, Yeguso, and I'm not rushing, like, I mean. Yeah,
you are not in a rush like that. I see. Now, Misa, the other aspect, I know so if I Juma now, meaning said since I coronavirus and COVID-19 breaking out around the world, the operating pubs, restaurants, and places gather the pub, you know, Omo Juma is look at. And I know Insha has one of the hottest pubs in Spintex Road and now on the Spintex Road. So far, how is it like? How are you guys managing? Because, all over the world,
I think I'm different. I can say that, you know. I'm telling you.
Who needs to be because
but myself there, meaning because Yankopon ma yeti ase Bible ma yeti ase se omo ni mo Yankopon no situation near them pa mom nka and me am me dem nka ho because
they tell me this and say
yeah because I own a club and then shisha office and yeah fine but
shout out to Alodia
bossy we greet you special you can for a chamo.
But this time around, when you say Obi to me Muhammad Chile, ladies to me Muhammad Yamuniema. Yeah. And that is where you also make your money.
Yeah, but no pay. I think that then I didn't go me so business is no Nyankopa demand. I don't focus on one particular area. And I even NKCT Shisha office no club no and I operate. But kitchen no as restaurant near Juma. And you know, I mean, because the spin test and couple their shares and you know, all the time or is busy when it comes to it, you know. And yet no pet said me who said because after club no and me switch call the building and I say real estate no and you know me know ka say me share site me so me share bush wa my first big test road no na e ma copy BBA you know Michelle Bush
so now Isha is more or less into real estate business alongside oh wow, that is very positive. Then it means that music in the only forever.
I'm still we can say okay, I'm
still
a former
now yeah baby music come up but the audio from hospitalization boss to now real estate boss.
Yes, I mean entertainment industry in there maybe I'm not coming out songs me find me mantina okasa but no artists are Nyankopa aduma eguso a ye boa mo ebi munya mpie ebi mo so nyame aduma just last month me baba ko Mickey. You know,
Mickey Benzi.
Yeah, Mickey Benzi.
Yeah, Charlie. Saw about him. Straight up. Charlie, I remember from Adaroma.
Yeah. It's almost that you crab. You try video no fear.
Yeah.
You know, yeah. So I mean,
oh, Mickey Benzi video no mutual.
Yeah, definitely. Yeah, definitely.
Oh,
so
wow.
we still in the industry. Industry in them in film. But some kaya, I don't know. Say biya, minja non toa. But some time ago, you didn't come over. Emma, na me chem say music no untimi nya no nko a say definitely would the business be a support Emma bebre na anime anya adwen but I mean it's true and you know ya say me ti say musician be a team and I celeb be a team we say okay me born move am to me
because I know how now
definitely.
So what does it mean say reality no afina hiti ebi mu ana
say sisi ano same unim after COVID here obia besua ade obia be hu say no say na nya ade ba ko David David say bye one table
you
thank you you know after if you were mufia afina scanner ba obia we say Charlie manfa bi nkose we mu Charlie say petrol ejuma bi kura manfa bi nkose say paint ejuma bi kura manfa bi nkose bibia obetimi di sika hyimu a edi sika beba no as an artist I say oh yeah because from and so that and a music to say football the opera industry 1000 years plus yeah.
I see. Until the Nuna Uhun in Tem.
Definitely.
I mean, Tema started BBA.
Definitely. And only the main reason why I'm not beginning now for the main album. So, Charlie, I didn't know you are into restaurant and coasters and transport and all that. Charlie, I'm like, I know what I'm doing because me who are there from afar, it be more you be called. Oh, sebi. I mean. They na me catch you be say da Shatawale car say Reggie Rockstone eton watching no men blame Shatta because the time me
Shatawale
thank you I'm really a chum no nka Reggie Rockstone so betimi aka catch you be say oton fula because a mimi chums na Reggie time. Inti no shatters no find shame it mu say. One day akwala bi so over catch him say and then otonkosi.
Even oyani near year because
no I said America because still nipa ni time atwam and all your business so you don't have to go there.
Okay. It's whether oyani near year and now wanyani near year
definitely
will not be the thing for
you.
Business. You'll be doing something
else. Something of Becca say otonkosi. He say it doesn't make sense because Reggie and you say be a produce songs be a Becca say or your name call.
Now, if it does not sit well for you, then at that time, also I'm up on time and say, oh, mini shatter, what's about kind idea and what can you say a bit more because of say industry TNT?
Oh, you know, say, I mean, we are family. I mean, and special shatter is more or less like, I mean, you know, high business be brave, you know what I'm saying? And you know, I mean, and yeah, Bidiana, Ebia. Otiana, but when they didn't come, tell them, but
at that time, next year, Tim said, no, some million,
all kind of day.
That's what I'm saying. So I don't want to say, oh, million such statements. I am not why cautious on that.
Oh, an opinion, so sometimes no. So basically, I say, I want to be friend and can't chance one can hear because no so not drink, I cannot drink, but. Oh, so they have a fan no, and not here. And you know, then you be na me feel say one can in say my friend can check, but to me, me feel say as soon who say or no puno, why had because be more cramp or more trim, but they are not doing nothing. It's in Cornumpono, why had because Reggie Ono and then classical to get that place.
That space.
Yeah.
In fact, they're watching very officer.
And I think they are not cry promoter there now. Yeah. Another strap.
I know. In fact, Shatawali Joma watching the promotion.
Oh yeah, and I'm say another strap. So no, I shut us only morning. Say oh no, I did your baby. Like said the other day no, first one about only say some more of kind. It will go and of course a man for Adriba watching. So no, only yeah.
I see. All right, Jago. So any extra airborne command. The person be sound way on still on music. Say, him say industry no not for be play won't decline no marker. Sa secret we are decoded some years back. I will say, when you moka like Charlie.
Oh, you share it didn't come on. You share it didn't come on, and I mean, big shout to what's it called? Over D-Crime, D-Crime, I mean, almost all of them, you know. Me who be a many shebi a yanka business. You can business all the time. You can business, but in there we know we didn't come up, but so nipa no ankasa be a no so I dream already. So I mean the home say oh, Charlie, obi crab it na catch so a farmer. A farmer until now kata. But you didn't come. I mean, me share me who come I be about from business.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. All right. Inshallah, tuning in for the INC for the enya futu na enya fa moy home because obia enya say na nini mu ni bibia mu be smooth amano very very important. At this stage, mama misa ade bia ma observe you of Inshallah. Anytime I me ben and so take a movie, me hu na say either say a software photo be boneka mu and na say me hu say a sorry banner be best in the car and na ya how dey ne car kase ba hai mo so software be di and na the picture be e bo ka dem say when because me share o lifestyle me share unyuma odia me hu say you be a check boy but all the time I see I sorry sir. How do you do it?
I mean, I think that first of all, there are a second a prophet Emmanuel Bedukobi.
Oh, okay.
Glorious Wave Chapel
International. Nice of Emmanuel Bedukobi.
That is a salute. First of all, my papa no, my spiritual father no, my mentor, my teacher, my prophet no. I think that. In Pempi, you know, if you say hard working and every what me do baby and I say what me there, oh yeah, it's never true. because I mean me no kasa is here who me physical is it yeah kasa physical but the my kasa is spirit spirit na ti mi mu no and dey tu mu no and am I kasa me dey mean say and you can't do without spiritual.
Okay.
Say all the time you focus the physical side say me ejuma ha nti me so ya me nko ejuma na I say okay fine physical side no ye nwa ejuma nti no okay what about your spiritual side because physically no some you sorry udidi u paste u jare physically u dress because person look come wa won nya dey a onu eduro we exercise person we strong physically nti bisa am say spiritually so no then na odi o spirit then our spirit di then our spirit here the spirit is there or no
na spirit so nishi
and na wa dey no
spirit say no
because
say na ya bela kwa enu mi
sana say sana obi adwen ye no nti na me twi wadwen abaso nti no Bible kra ma yeti ase say Yakopon e honhom nti yesum no kra yesum no e wo honhom nti means e honhom no so adwuma oye nti se honhom so wo timi ye bibi dia e na say honhom side no so attention call na honhom no enenya akwai say TV no ye nenya Yakopon to say TV na remote to find remote CCR station out baby and you can change it. Sana ye Yakopon so ti. Nti ye Yakopon daily spiritual not physical. Nti all the time no say we make sure say we spiritual side no Yakopon etisi.
I see. Na okay, me da say o mo say yes, in Shaba town san or yes but still the spiritual side here on funny agro. Not long ago. Some
even outside no crowd be some meeting me at show me.
They were say out on.
Yeah.
And because what's your man for Metro Shisha office?
Yeah.
What's your man for your Mary Guinness? Mojadro?
Yeah.
You drive it in Vanco EV. Now, you is also says yes, I'm sorry.
Yeah, yeah.
Chichimu
okay. So I mean, if we don't call Old Testament, yeah.
Now, maybe say you man.
So me bantina me do ko ho oh every the father wow say egusi ejuma Yakopon say no say or the mradu ni ejuma emfa and heaven one can nipa ba kokra enko because boni akasa de enye de waye nko a enye de a upo nim ye wo boni a unim pu se waye ye wo boni ahoro a ebi opo a unim se boni we pu waye we dey utimu fa nti Yakopon say or the mredu Old Testament in the ejuma and obi anko heaven enti no smart the doper Jesus Christ so mbewu nonje enko enti no wa obefa Jesus Christ aye o kra ne waje enko no onye sina onye de boyeni enti sami ubi sam this year the only person who is sinner and already boyeni ne dey on for Christ
to patch say e pa say ti hey na me beef kama
thank you
and my so me dibi
thank you
bibia me twetwe
thank you
na me na me de ma no keke ka say ma fa Jesus said me kra ne ma jinkwa
thank you
eno ano eno pe
eno ano because say
ma no na me de ka ne keke
who say some every the pastor say we no de ka keke oh say wait has spirit enye say we no na de ka keke o kasa afa onsa ko wano be mu say bibi ba so words are spirit nti ade a obeka bia na spiritual realm na ye adwuma so me metimi aka che o say de nipa bia ate obi a wonim wiase mu bia say de ote no say de ono pe no sana ote no
say de ono pe no sana ote David me ko bia omo pe omo tibia
na eno ye na adwen na onfam pe say de ote no ba onfa na no we ana onfa the west no and directing the course yes
It's your not drink again.
No, not dream or the cassette car with the minya, a few or like.
Man for the man look on Isha. They be obedient to Obrasa to make their coverage.
Okay.
In fact, this sample I say, which years your Kwani Apam or Kwani Apam is auntie, all kind of saying.
I mean, I thank God for this question. I had a punchline one. Some will be to me around a bomb pie. So, Quajuma, or bomb pie, Nina Kupakasa, say no Quajume. Ejuma nyakama scamra customers bibiambra say na no the kind onya si kwan so akwa obrasa na akwan obrasa me say o de wan bisa no poso akwan obrasa me na te say na o de sa answer no de be man no de be say no pampa bo no boy ni et say I say na
slow
thank you. Inti no anu na o de bom pai no anu ma so na o de asa cancel pai bo no enso empai bo na enso kasa
say bia na ne honam mu no ana ne tibie mu no eni ho ampa wa bom pai se rade mani nye yi ba ko no inti na Bible say let the weak say I am strong, let the poor say I am rich. So you don't have to have the money in your pocket, in your account, physical, say, and someone can say you are rich. Intimate here, Obaya, maybe say corona affect you now, say that means Obuampo.
Minjin too.
But
I can't see, Samuel. I thank God say no, Samuel. I thank God say only question you are me. That's it. And say me can said dia me hunu no and say me can said dia me hunu no there be e say me can said dia me pen no e so said dia me hunu and said dia me pen no said dia me hunu me pekra me nyintu me can said dia me pen no and the more I can said dia pen no sa na be
because I see. Because of say Instagram who say or no there, despite anything ogusu GD and our trust and our confidence was so full. The video be I say me bo echere na in this video ye nyina ye atadre hate maker papa she maybe na oka say asofo ni bi ohompo a omo free nyame na we kwese Instagram ya brand tie say you nim what's up yi na waji asofo di omo photo sabobo ne ka bu na me ngoma kakra because na young boy pan dey no or the sticker heading probably the sticker eti ye share video na me bit bisa insha questions one or two do or subject my director give us this video na ye has ye beti me ato ankomo so many shama kojo and ye share last year and ye share go your studio was so to Sammy Flex TV ye go so e twi an komo Baba Muti saying by let the say insha person dem call Bible lie. Let's watch the video, come back to discuss more.
What is when you're trying to come up and say, no, I'm about to say, what's saying here? Forever about one time. Forever about one time. Oh, yeah, I don't come here and come and destroy this image. So you tell us no me baba so so na ya you are taking somebody image baba you said it and the chorus believe what you are saying he said it Mutie, what do you you are a liar. You are a liar. Oh, listen. This guy is a liar. He's a liar. He's a liar. There's a devil living in his tongue. You are a liar. What you are doing? You are a liar. You are a liar. You are a liar. Go some to get your master. You are possessed. You are the first one who has been possessed. You are possessed. Who knows what possessed? Sex
Way a perpetual DDA or a gospel artist. Now, once again, more Moshe channel where the Mubeka said the perpetual DDA Betran Babia in Shra Eti Amir Design Comui. Now, Sunday, BBM one way in Shra, Sunday Gusuo, a DDA was so for be more day a prophet Badukobi photo prop about the cardinal. Now, maybe Sase, na. We are Papa Shia me at say a sophony bimpo every name, a be near Papa, and a brantia macho man to say, oh, dear, your foot up or come.
Sammy, the cranny say, that's a lack of knowledge, yeah? No, just a Pia. They are only Yamanko, and I said they are uncle, sorry, and I will be crabbing to me as often so now. Nim asema hauka nikwe de eba akope me I think say oka se obi mfiri nyame sisi a me fanze sa me sofo na me si wo mfiri nyame I mean then na me di gina so aka se wo mfiri nyame because first of all yankopon frɛ no na me no all friend no now we know me pesa o tie mi ye pa enti no then na me di gina because then na me di gina so enye ade a nyankopɔ ofre o nipa yin eni na ya ka se o ofre no ye na ye hu na ye hu enti why free nyame ko di free nyame ne de nyame afre no so obi ka se o ye nyame adwuma na ka se nyame afre no no ye nyame adwuma no se nyame afre no nti wo de untimi chese nyame afre na nyame mfre no eno de I have to be honest with you. So me say obi use that word now. Excuse me to say, na me time. Time
can I say sir, your fan say me wo ekuo bi mu. Sa ekuo ni o enema bi eye. Na me dru ba bi na me so obi yesa na ma ni bia. Mintimi ka so we or me koni. Enti oma aya omutimi ka say we free nyame with all boldness no. Don't you think say e bi omo so wonema bi a omuhu e wo sa nipa no bi omo ye enti. And omuhu say okay we based on because minimum sophobia ono timi ka so ono why occult da. Why say that we jai ni nyina. Internet we jai na no omu so bi ye bia otimi hu.
Sammy, my question were deep, yeah, and strong. First of all, a Jumano, and you say a castle will be a young man Juma, no Chessy Bia or ye Juma Mono. Oh, me present me to me, Chadi, we pana, or be a old team to myself. A Jumani will be a Juma. A Jumano. First of all, nyewe Juma, one kasano, also yourself for nyewe Juma. E you be Juma and a woye. This I miss me ye Juma mawa. No cray woman no, I want me no paying him. Do Jinan chaining to me in Kase, me ye Juma Masame, and I mean ye Juma Masame. Same, but oh, I send you a oh, me say me timi chirema say dia me wo me mu no go yes me ye adwuma ma wo me ye adwuma ma I'm the right person am metimi aka say oh me a de bia me kosa me wa me ko bayi na de am ye na nyam na me ya ma no I'm the right person ba papa we ntimi nka say wow who say de bia so me de sami edin na de nam I get my Sammy Flex me din me de adwuma di se me ba ho a bia adwuma kra me me ba ho in the name of Sammy Flex me beji ususu fa usika branti no I'm not taking the money for my main discount money ho me de Sammy din na discount na say petrol adwuma filling station de bia me jina na me feel Sammy filling station ti no adwuma na me na metimi a chese me ya ma Sammy na me nya ma Sammy iba wo a won che ne untimi nche because e din ba ko na ye na ye di wa dance enu na say Christopher and I suffer no crown. Mammy, my example be either I'm in politics, Mukaka. unse oko politics ma obetimi aka say we e bia me fa NPP ni example obetimi aka say we your friend say Akufo-Addo nkofo we nkofo we Alankash nkofo mewa ba ye kan na abuma omo ye adwuma ma that's all. Inti me point in say Sami the only person metimi aka say on free nyame and onye adwuma ma nyame and obi a on for Jesus Christ din enye adwuma
na say ya think to say e bi mu ha Jesus din de ombo na emom de hyase ansa na omabo no
Sami e di adi bie niwa e betimi aye powerful achen the name of Jesus
enye powerful nchen
today na
omo pese eye no de omo command on pese BBC ne timi command enye powerful nchen the name Jesus
I'm Sami was that wa nti Sami there is a di ni wiase asasi ase e wiase no soro e di ni wa eye powerful and now would the share would the better Jesus a chair obetimi dia control no ma is never true
but ojidi say yo ahonhom fufro the fact say Jesus did more powerful
thank you
no
okay.
The fact say Jesus did the most powerful name no that is agreed but ojidi say yo ahonhom so e be from ahonhom nketua na
say it no kan ni na aboma me point ni say so mu ya ahonhom nketua so mu ya ahonhom akesi o e din bi ni asasi ase asasi mu ene asasi soro eye powerful na sanso change the name Jesus Christ until it obi ka che o say we use Jesus din but bibi asase akoye to say obi wo form 2 and form 3 now say after we obeko form 1 it's possible we if you feel 3 by 1
until
the beginning they all kind no say obi aye okot the obi aye bibi da amasisi ano wa so for them say osusu ahunmi na hwe obi hu say no we na the best we na the biggest the strong
we the most powerful occultic spirit the beauty me
no make us say nipa no use occultic spirit on use the name of Jesus
yes
Sami no tio Sami
yes if you put the name of Jesus go can be
is never see Sami mama say okay o dey fan say o be kan ba o be kan o kan den say e wo betimi akadi no ba o kan den o kan de then na o kan o dey no be to aso say you see Sami say me ka bibi ansa na me ntimi ka say Jesus e no ano no say me ka bibi ansa na me sisu stamp say in the name of Jesus yeah Sami no krene say asofo na kasa o mo are confused
asofo are confused
o mo are confused
asofo organ ha
nyanyi na omo ye we finyame we mfinyame
adan no my confused
o mo are confused because se menu ye didi edin ba ko ho adanse menu mienu Sami ye di me point me Sami me point ni na ne say agenda ni na ye Jesus Christ that's the agenda obetimi asum nyame se dia opebia but say if only udi Jesus dinidi ene na odi ye adwuma dia ene say o ka se sa nipa ni mfi nyame a me so me hu word am use ma Sami mama ka asem cho say sometimes on say me ka say ene me fa Ghana cry any example say dia ebia sofo obi omoye omo no mane ebia fancy obra na atoyem ne sa no no enti no ebia obi betime di gina so aka say we free nyame we mfri nyame mewa
yeah
Sami tama Jesus by Jesus ye normal bebre amomo ka say odi thank you and the age man eno so enti Jesus no mfri nyame Sami Jesus no free nyame bisa question what do that question enti o nyame bo free nyame and no free nyame but o ni ye bi no ma bi o ye otuntosuo the dot fry ene na obi ye san go make say okot Sami let's be real mama nka no credential I have a Muslim background yeah
okay
my mama is Muslim and I'm a papa Christian, and I'm a Christian myself. So I mean, yeah, sometimes I share social media and so na me asofwa omakasa ejuma na nke so mo bua me dey for papa shi video any example ufi say papa shi no sa interview okoyi mfa so ben no benya wo se nkote ha ka be bisa se brapeni interview okoyi mfa so ben na obenya wonya platform chakra kanyame asem wodi ti wona wodi condemn me say we finyam nti no uno o fight ejuma na na say o bu ejuma. Thank you. Unya platform a 5 minutes pa me fan condemn me ejuma no me ejuma no so because papa she yenu ina na okroma na okosha America no nti ka okoba na sofo ba kokura ni Ghana ha nka oba be ka sofo be na oba be ka omo asem omo ginema na wakwa ba nti waba be to aso so we free nyame mpa nya wadwuma because first of all Bible no kra me say thou shall not condemn. This no papa she wa nya kopo adwuma enye sa this is nya kopo to no ni mo free nyame no mo free nyame
say Bible said thou shall not judge, which is very true.
Yeah.
But Bible now so ka say obi eko bonia yentre no.
Oh
yes.
Sabe do credit ever.
Oh no,
Sabe unim say insembe bro how who be fi say o back baby. I'm telling you but the truth is in the fan say obet me obofo and so phobia radio so no be kwakotena. Say can colleague me. So who says I move am say time I shut say I send the colleague me. I don't know cause we bra baby bia o me so sisi amabo ma be come na adewe and now because say what radio so I say who go nipa na animo ase and I unim say the man here we ni say man here dangerous ni say sisi ana mama for confused
and then mama for confused.
We free nyame na we free nyame. Nti amam for I confused. Cause you see anu you nim do okay me mom dey me am free nyame. And I mean say so for be or the Jesus Christ din ye adwuma ni free nyame. But amam for bebre no there. You see how ka nyame asema na say oh di Christ won dance kwa am say oh asofo mo abasa because asofo obi nya asofo ofren hu asofo. Onyo oba minimum so for be on ba radio so any TV so social media omo nka nyame asem ba kupu
na omo ka le
we free nyame ena we den yiku no nu moja ena we di kuku bia ko shesi ena we kum ni passing and like seriously na ubenya nkofu so omuti o omuti say omo nka some person mo ye confused nti same me asem ye mienu first of all asofo no ankasa mom confuse nipa no asofo na ankasa omunsu on Bible ni no munja we free nyame no because edwuma a wo ba say wo same sisi a yem fan say nke betna hai na wo colleagues a omuso mu ye we edwuma bi na omu ho asem na ye ka that means we are not going anywhere.
See any agenda.
No I say we ni hwe ye they be ye betna sia dia same wo plans a wo dia wo pese wo manfo mo hwe omo tinenu na wo bom deru ana say wo promote ana wo ye ba wo betna obi a dia wo ye no so ye bi no asem na wo to na nti say na wo promote na ana say we na wo ni ya sometimes omo ni say promo I say oh hyping the panel.
Yeah, but enye promo na ne papa. Promo view enye papa.
Enye papa but
promo view obi promote you but still no or sell.
So me na second list no. Me fi aso for no so a. Christians. So me say enye say on. Christosom eye nyame na enye nipa. On. As when nga I can no bia I am who I would never call myself a Christian. Yeah. But because say any nipa na enya minti no I'm still a Christian. Because I mean, o de opa ahwe sa omo so they are like news about asofo say bia ye gu sofu bi enimu ase ye dey sofu bi video and picture bi ne nsem bi aba bonten a akohwe ubemu say sami unhu say Muslim ni ba kumpo a comment and apo wa share that ubinya Christians ubinya Christopher a o be share say ubi anhwe sofu we ya yegu ne nim ase o Christo ni ba woni bibi onu fi so okọ asore o so and so onko asore wa ha nti we na yegu ne nim ase onu no so for the yegu ne nim ase na kan say the fi so for eso a the ba so for bi so na isi e be mu sa so for ni na week de na e be pa mu ni na am so na edu so time be du so for no so no satan na bia so be ba bonti abekasa say ana ba we fi say first one no why and I post it share I mean asofo na nkasa ni bi mo I confused and a Christians no so Christians in the meeting crack catch up say be 90% I confused asofo so asofo na mean to ka percentage no omo nye we finyame na as omo do so chen omo kakra bi na minim say omo e desperate to say omo pe hype o minim say bia ska ombenya o YouTube nti ana minim but I say oba wa plan say oba na oba attack we nti no bi mba bantisa me kan o video so say so for mama on free nyame ni so for a o condemn ni nyonko so for
the on free nyame
thank you
and now condemn me
thank you
it ever say papa she say no condemn me asofo bi no or no say
no kwa
I know to your estimation so free nyame
say when jai no that so called radio ni TV so called condemn me nyame asofo a and onu mum no free nyame because umum na wo say ejuma no go there also free nyame no onu oye na fam de asinyame adwuma ba wo na wo so fi say number 1 2 binti no adwun ye o say on fi nyame
I see
ndi umum sisi an umum wa my confused umum a wo si we fi nyame no ko ina enim so fi nyame ko ba ya wo so fi
nyame da na obo mde obo so for din kan wana
one more prophet Emmanuel Beduko bi
one more prophet bi obo for pen obo ni din
obo for I think obo this man papa we Accra. Obinim. And this man. He didn't see you now.
Nigel.
David. And then way they wait me about. But mommy, I come back home. I'll name Nigel. Thank you. Thank you. Obo usu bempa bo obo for and obo obini
o se asofo me san yo mu fi nyame enti ever ne say based on information awon is Insha telling us say odie osofo bia
but Jesus Christ
mami sa question.
Thank you but unim
okay,
the person we fear so we no. Or the Jesus Christ. Or the Jesus Christ din. Or the Jesus Christ din na ye juma.
Jesus Christ so bia sorry ni kwa ye sorry there. O say a Christian kwa there. Jesus Christ din no be use.
No.
Enti o nyina to Insha ba ko be there.
Ena sami unim. Sami America assemble kuncho.
Okay, kana empon.
En se obi free nyame ana obi free nyame kra ansa na watwa kra manyame obi kra betimi se on free nyame obi betimi atwa kra manyame nti show afi me point na nkasa no me point ne se omo wa so dem woni na nim se sami e di Jesus Christ din na ye adwuma enti na me kwa asori wono nti se sami obibi a oya eni yo no ni menya akoponte ena kan se sami se sisi ame attack o se sami mfiri nyame a enye sami na me de ne ba fom be dina sami yusu no na me di no fi same ampa chopa me point no pese o timasi na pese o tie for so timasi pa edi na me di ejuma na wo di ejuma no same se minya ka se edi na wo di ejuma no boa edi na wo di ejuma no me se edi na wo di ejuma na wo san boa does it make sense na same se me ngana ka mbeka bibi se wo nkrofo bi omo so magigi din a omo fa Jesus Christ din na ejuma mo Ghana ha me pese me body but so TV so normal they don't pray to the name of Jesus. So obi cry the people in some normal. Into who feels no of very slow and I say yes.
Ebi announce me moba meet me aboba meet my bobi sen na agrada.
Thank you.
Meet my boba ku nsem.
Okay.
That's like from na so can Jesus ne bi o.
The ejuma I know the ejuma.
Kwaku bo sound put gospel music.
No, Samuel, let's be serious. On no the ejuma. Let's be serious.
O see oji ni nyina edi.
Enjo, who ji ade dia any different from who the ejuma. Sami me gidi say we used to Sami me gidi say we used to BMW. But me pe Benz inti me twi Benz. Me gidi say BM ho. Me gidi BM BM ho. I mean pe BM pe Benz. Inti no gidi enko na dia odi ejuma sonko. Say so no agasampo ntimi nka say Jesus ni o ntimi. No. Ene nkwampo ye punishment da wo twen onim ne kure no. Basa me mo nka no kure nche obi eni wo ya ade a enya onim. Yeah, misanko bi obi eni wo ya ade a enya onim. Obi e ya ade na enya onim. Sa ade wo ya oye enye. Ndi no onim papa no. Ndi no mo obobo mu di no. The truth is omo nim papa no. Baby omo so baby omo ayede omo akoshe no. But then when say onim papa no. Until the truth yes, until the crane say if I'm back say so for you Ghana ha how did Jesus Christ di na ejuma and no di bibia hia na che say ohunfo ana ohunfo
so ontimi enyina ho emma de obi.
Thank you. And I no so no Nyankopon enjeje the members because the members need there edin no according to this here Sami menam na mpese meto fuel normally meto what's it called my friend 95 e bia odi or the friend vein power. Thank you. It is a me driving na me filling station or more vein power oboa and I try make sure to baby cry me vein power into this Sami say sisi ano me per sorry akọ na say me hu say Sami wa sorry who did Jesus Christ din na ye adwuma edin nti na mbai filling station bi am in the name of their mepeno. Thank you. Nti no say me bana wo bi a ehọ na meto nti say me bana say umbo Jesus din a and dem me akwa metimi akwa akoka say so fu we me call na sorry no enye Jesus din no di adwuma Sami ba cha otimase
metiwase enti in short no o de o advice say when nipa bia no for spiritual father the most spiritual father no say what is say obo Yesu din ko ade eno ape na wohia.
Thank you.
The we be kasi we finyam de wo
because say impo ampa say oye bibia oye mo no say impo sampa say oye bibia oni onu ni Nyankopon ase.
I see.
Thank you.
And then come here, Nanka, yeah, check it in Shaba Kojo Abisa say, and near Master Sana, but it has ended up in a more religious conversation, which I think it is educative, it is informative as well. Monsieur Bibi Friniho, Medicisa also Bibi Friniho. Young point now, Yemisa say, it is here in Shaka Siena, Yambra, Reverend, and our prophet Banuko Biwa, and I say, yes, you have fired here, our no so Jesus kicking.
Yeah, I think first of all, Papa, Prophet Emmanuel Bedukobi. The reason why I'm here, I am first Asoria, with the Akono. Then I'm watching Mota and Sana make us Spintex. No,
Chimota saying,
Namo Achimota, Namiti, Achimota and Sana me to Ako Spintex. Then I'm call Asoria and Sana. before I make spinters na me tie no nti no I always follow teachers me tie omo asem no say some first of all asem na kasa na say oti ase as oti asem na se asem na kasa be set you free nti no me tie omo teachers nti no me ko spinters am so me do spinters there and the papa we asori ana ampaso got na me na ase no ma hu say yes asem no na wo hia na wankasa wo de asem no abo bra ben sese wo ye type a wo da ho na wo tie ye kra na wo first of all wo su da kra na wo first of all and also na one lack of knowledge na one na ama den so buga kakra no I say bibi kakra bi o poli kra so for na mi poli 12 o'clock people te be kwa ko si say so for the chance say 12 na we poli there say the be do say ko poli 1 o'clock dey anka say like and I also diet we so die mu kan who kama o dey na say na say what asem na say sa no mani na obi say na eyalo wo hia asem no na asem na kasa ye ho adwuma say o ko don yankopon asem no it doesn't matter how you look any what you do
doesn't matter how
and what you do
they say me boys see manage girls who fine
yes
mo no we bia no banka say already and they claim no no here
yes ba ma fine it's a question no Obama wine Obama oh no but see no Sami who said no Sami who said no Sami who said no ma Sami me for me ankasa me life in example ma before me started as Christ embassy Pastor Chris before na me nko asori na me hu me say me ko asori a o make us guy we I know nigga I know hip hop o guy we o yeah hip life o guy we no club or you know say or chilling no far on inti na me ntimi nko asori but obi and can assembly chair me say there's a making ya and no see there be and say because we be there cry we be there who say okay time we na say me there okay see at the major club the ntimi nko asori there be inti we be start akọ na uti asem na obi nse asem na kasa etiti no man so nti no di omo awo kempo omo no mu hia asem omo awo say di omo for girls 3 5 no omo no mu hia asem no na asem na kasa reduce afi obedu baby na 0 kra onfa but say ono be twen say ono like at the right time no I remember.
All right, you better inshaba kojo ase na yakase nyamisha na se na wabesha wo office wo so to hana Samiflex TV studio ono so ne kwa wakakra akosha ne that ono so be pay back and yet na and then some no dey abane dey me did say you be treating way as part 1 na ya said say mu a onsamra na yen kosonhwe
member
yen koso practice na wakani na enhwe ye hwe na say hu so ye djuma dia den so inshaba se mo kan yampa na mom ye try 1 2 1 2 say that inshaba ye 5 peka yeah be chiata no
it's never true
that is way very very educative and we will still be checking on our brother. He's still doing fine and everything is okay. Tisha see I beside say Sami na see a demand question oh challenge me. I'm the biggest paid YouTuber in Ghana.
Amen.
I mean say $1,000
and our council is confirmed. Words are spirits. Sami asembia waka fitu nkola bremu ye wo da so omo enra o
I see
and I onim Sami and say so for nkwana so for betimi a hye nkom but say wo nkom hye no more than so for them they say de bia wo hye nkom every blessed day I'm blessed, I'm strong, I'm a winner. Yes obia isu na osi you
are blessed.
Yes.
All right, thank you so much. Thank you to Digital Rasta Currency, to Richie Flex yeah, Lapiji, MC Barima, in Team Chemo, and Nana Regan, as well as Roland Amati, Event Guide Africa. Ishabako Josemu, Yedi Beto Apawaso, na ya bibi mu, sene mekan no, enche, ebesant na betena situation bi mu, ne ya to akoma. She friend me Flex. In case you want to be here, a number wo air screen so it me send the message. Say enter us here, a better us here. Now open more so I'm not subscribing to the channel so that every time I do video better will be you can also be a part of it. I salute you all.